As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook and the Lifemaster. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. The Master Cook is a 3-burner grill putting out 30,000 BTU, while the Lifemaster has 2 burners at 20,000 BTU total. So the Master Cook is more powerful.
Yeah, I noticed that. But the Lifemaster is described as portable. Is it actually smaller?
Definitely. The Master Cook is 46.5 inches wide, whereas the Lifemaster is only about 21 inches wide. That makes the Lifemaster much easier to move around, especially with its foldable legs.
Portability is a big plus for me. What about cooking space?
The Master Cook offers 472 square inches of cooking area, while the Lifemaster has 275. So if you're grilling for a bigger group, the Master Cook has more space.
Got it. And what about the materials? Are they both stainless steel?
Yes, both grills feature stainless steel construction, which should help with durability and cleaning. However, some customers mentioned the Master Cook felt a bit flimsy, so that's something to keep in mind.
Good to know. I saw the Master Cook has foldable shelves, which seems convenient.
Right. The Master Cook has those foldable side shelves for extra prep space, which is pretty handy. The Lifemaster focuses more on being compact and easy to transport.
What about reviews? Which one has better ratings?
The Lifemaster has a slightly higher rating, 4.6 stars compared to the Master Cook's 4.2. But, the Master Cook has way more reviews, over 3,500 versus Lifemaster's 264, so it's got a larger sample size.
Okay, that makes sense. So it sounds like the Master Cook is better for bigger cookouts at home, and the Lifemaster is ideal for camping or tailgating.
Exactly. It really depends on what you're planning to use it for. If you need raw power and space for a home grill, the Master Cook is good. But if you want something you can easily take with you, the Lifemaster seems a better fit. Though it looks like the Lifemaster is currently unavailable, which is a bummer.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.